Kodak Black has been released from jail on a $75,000 bond in his drug trafficking case. After turning himself in to authorities on Wednesday, May 6, the South Florida rapper appeared in court for a bond hearing in Orange County, Florida, on Thursday, May 7. During the hearing, Yak's attorney, Bradfod Cohen, asked for a $10,000 bond, citing the circumstantial evidence in the case. However, the judge granted Kodak, real name Bill Kapri, a $75,000 bond due to his past criminal history, which includes 12 felony arrests. As part of his bond stipulations, Yak must stay away from drugs, guns, and his associates associated with the case. Kodak was mobbed by reporters as he left the courthouse, but he refused to answer questions. The case stems from an incident in November of 2025. Police say they searched a car and found a bag containing MDMA that was tied to the rapper. Kodak's attorney refuted the charges in a statement to XXL on Thursday. "This is a case that legally is not sufficient to charge possession of the item," Cohen said. Then, instead of simple possession, they doubled down and filed it as a trafficking charge. "I will be fighting the charge." This is an ongoing theme where cases that would normally not be filed due to a weak legal basis are filed against Mr. Kapri. "We look forward to yet another fruitful resolution to another case that should have never been filed,"